Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you the final checkout video of a really cool 302, and this is Ron's telephone, and I believe he's up by Chicago. Now, this is the metal body, and these metal bodies were pretty cool because they never cracked around the corners like the plastic ones. So they're worth more money. And basically, on this telephone, when Ron sent it in, it didn't have any dial center ring or informational card or plastic or anything in their cover. So that's all been replaced now, and this is the final checkout video. Another thing I want to show you is in the initial video, when you would pull the rotary back and forth, it would sit there and rock. The gasket that's behind this rotary where it fits into the body, what they always do is they start falling apart and they fall out. So all that's been taken care of, and the rotary is secure now. Also, we went through the rotary and cleaned it and oiled it and all the workings, and made sure that the rotary was racking off properly and dialing the numbers properly. And it's also easier. It would dial before, but it's been oiled now, so it's working to its potential. And so anyway, the bells in this telephone were missing. The actual coils were there, but the bells were missing, so we also found him some bells that are original to the period, and so it's all original equipment, this dial center ring and everything, and the bells. And then we just kind of went through everything, and we had to finish off the bell circuit because they had taken the bell circuit apart and disconnected the bell. So anyway, what we're going to do here is some final checks now. I'm going to go ahead and give you some dial tone here. And we're going to dial, like, say, a time and temp number.
Good afternoon. Our body shop can repair almost any make and model for less. Offenburg, Belleville, 234-0330. Today is Saturday, July 16th. The time is 3:49. Current temperature 102 degrees. Now the weather forecast for the Belleville area.
Hot and humid today, partly cloudy skies, highs around 90, heat index readings of 100 to 105. Partly cloudy tonight, lows in the 70s, hot and humid on Sunday, mostly sunny, highs in the 90s, highest heat index readings of 106.
Okay, so basically what I want to do now is I want to dial my number, and the number will be busy. And we'll do the time and temp one more time.
Good afternoon. Credit issues? Apply by phone anytime at 622-4600. 622-4600. Same-day approval available. Today is Saturday, July 16th. The time is 3:50. Current temperature 102 degrees.
Okay, so we know the telephone is working, and we're going to do some checks on the analyzer now. And we're going to go ahead and ring this telephone. Now, it wasn't an issue that the phone transmitted and received and it dialed out. Ron knew that the telephone worked, but it didn't have any bells in it, so that did not work, and it didn't have a dial center ring. And so we kind of went through everything and just made sure it's all working and cleaned and oiled it. So let's go ahead and ring it now. I'm going to let that go a couple times because that was an issue. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we're going to dial the numbers. End in a 2. And I'm going to go ahead and transmit into the handset. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we know everything is working on this telephone. Now let's do this. Let's take a look at what we've got here. The bell circuit has been finished up now, and basically we've installed original bells in here. And the coils were here, but the bells were missing. And so everything's been kind of taken care of now and repaired and gone through. And this just kind of gives you a look at the telephone here. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to set the video down for a second, and I'm going to go ahead and ring the telephone. I'll go ahead and answer it. Give you some dial tone. So this is a really cool telephone, and it's finished up, and it's ready to be sent back to Ron. These 302s are very sought after. The metal ones are really the best ones to get a hold of, but any 302, even if it's a plastic body, nobody's going to turn them down. These are really cool telephones, and he said this one's been in his family for a really long time, so this is really cool now that this telephone's finished up. You should be happy to start using this telephone. The bells are ringing now, and he's got a center dial. So the old guy's back to the way he was originally, and it's got a nice heavy handset cord on it like they did in the old days. So they really made things back then, and this telephone will probably be in his family for a lot longer. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. This is Ron's telephone from up around Chicago. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.